The most basic criterion for being a Buddhist is to have a degree of understanding of and belief in cause and effect. If you have no confidence in cause and effect, then even if you cultivate the most profound Dharma, it will not have much of a result. Everyone should first understand that retribution is caused by living beings' karma. Karma may be wholesome or unwholesome. With both types of karma, there is that which must ripen, that which may not ripen, that which must ripen in this life, and that which will ripen in a future life. Within this last type of karma, there is also that which will ripen in the next life and that which will ripen in many lifetimes. Thus, living beings' experiences of karma differ in terms of time span and retribution. Sometimes people believe, if I do a good deed today, it will surely ripen immediately as a wholesome result. If I commit a harmful deed today, I will experience the negative result very soon. This belief comes from not understanding cause and effect. If there is true understanding, one should know that when the right causes and conditions come together, their fruit must ripen.